Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned Avalon LSZ 24-foot pontoon. This is a tri-toon. Has a nice stainless steel 4-step ladder here in the back. Comes with a 150 horsepower Mercury engine. Great added feature here on this pontoon is a grill. Nice thing is you can quickly undo the snaps here and snap it off. It's a nice grill. It's got a tow bar. Go inside. As you can see, coming aboard this boat, there's a nice spot for a cooler. Kind of a nice little bar area here under this compartment. You can flip that upside down and have paper towels. It's got fresh water for washing off things. A couple cup holders there. And you got a side lounger, a couple loungers in the front. Obviously there's storage under all the seats. Got a nice table that can come out easily. Here in the back, kind of an L-shaped wraparound seating. Got cup holders. There's a nice bimini. There's an added cup holder. Kind of sitting on the side here right now. You can slide into the seat. Then here at the helm, we have an infinity head unit. Got your tacks and your switches. Again, this is a really nice pre-owned Avalon. It does have a full windshield in front, which kind of protects against wind and colder weather. And again, my name's Dan Pergett, MarineMax, Rogers, Minnesota. Stop on out.